Alright, I said I was going to do a quick video about charging my sp140 battery off of the solar. So I'm just going to take you through my kind of crude setup here and how it works. But this is the 4 kilowatt hour battery that I've got. It sits kind of out here by my solar and inverter power station. I bought another QS8 anti-spark connector and wired it into this hacked off extension cord with a 5 amp fuse in line. The fuse is just there because of the cord I'm using. I don't want it to short out and start the cord on fire because this battery totally has the power to do that. That comes up here to this these two boost controllers, right? So this one on the left is set up to about 63 volts, and it comes down here to charge my one wheel. And then this one on the right is set up to about 100 volts, and it charges the sp140 battery. So the input side of this goes through a little 10 amp circuit breaker and comes right off of my panels, right? It doesn't actually come from the output of the MPPT controller. So why do I have it set up like that? I have it set up like that so that it siphons extra power off of the panels before the MPPT controller, which controls charging my battery, right? I didn't really want a battery going, my main battery going through the boost controller and charging another battery because of the losses are higher that way. And also what I wanted is to have some way to prioritize which battery charges first with the available power. So this way I have you can kind of see it in there, maybe not because the light is on. You can see the overload LED right now is glowing a little bit. That's because my main battery isn't full, and so the MPPT controller is putting a couple amps into the battery until it's full. Okay, so panel voltage is 28, and and 0 amps. So maybe the main battery is full, and we're just not getting quite a full. It's not real that sunny out there. But when it is full sun, this little LED will go off, and I'll get about 2 or 3 amps at 100 volts into the sp140 battery. So right now it's at 87 volts. If I disconnect the plug that goes to the battery, we'll get, full open circuit voltage. Let me do that. It should be right around 100 volts. There you go, 100.2 volts. And really it can charge this battery up all the way over the course of a day. So it's not a fast charge. If I need to charge faster, I plug into the grid. But if I know I'm not going to be flying for a little while, I just plug it into this and it stays kind of topped off and ready for the next flight off of all the excess power from my solar without depleting my house battery.